We need to do something. We are going to take this out of here and put it on here. Ooh. He's gonna try to come in with TV. No. Okay, so we got that there. We need 1 stick of butter. It needs to be room temperature, but we're just gonna mash it up. I mean, it's margarine. So. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it on the thing. I'm put it on the stove real quick. Okay. Where's my phone? We need 2.5 cups of this. We need some fluff. And we need some vanilla. So.
Does it need to be cool, you said first? It might help the,
No, it's fine.
No? Alright.
Melt what?
The fluff.
No, no, no.
Alright.
It's good. Just fine. I'll be right back, guys.
For the lemon meringue cake mix greased cookie pan.
Okay, we gotta go to the end.
Now we're going to add about 7 sticks of butter.
1 stick of butter. Okay, we need to. I'm gonna melt this a little bit. Like 10 seconds. Alright, that's good. Okay, so we're gonna blend this. One and a half cups of powdered sugar. 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. She sifted it. I'm not gonna sift it. I don't have a sifter.
Okay. Now we're going to add about 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. So that's about half of this jar here.
She said 1.5 cups.
What are you making, frosting?
This is gonna be like moon pie. Moon pies.
Go ahead and add our
Yeah, kind of, not
vanilla.
really.
This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Oh wait. She said
Vanilla.
no.
Got a
Look,
cookie?
we doing no, I'm making something cool. No. You gotta wait until they're done. Eat something. Eat food. Heat up that leftover spaghetti. No. Why? No, it's not. In the microwave, just a little bit of water on it. A lot of chicken, but not right now. After I take a nap. It's a struggle, y'all. It's a struggle. Not really, though. Nobody starves. Alright. There we go. I don't know how this is going to work, but...
Lemon
about 7 ounces. This is.
Chocolate chip. So let's take a look at the strawberry cookie with the white chocolate chip morsels in it.
Oh no. Do that. Oh my gosh. Oh, load. It's too fast.
I don't think it's working.
What the hell happened here? Wait.
I don't think it's working on me.
It is. It's gonna. See, it's going down. It's going down. Can you pour a tablespoon of that in here? Hurry up.
Oh, what?
This. It's working. See, it's working. Yeah, pour it on this thing. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Oh my god.
There we go. There we go. Okay. We're going. We're good. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. Forget it. Don't do this anymore. You want these?
What? Those?
You want these? Yeah.
Oh.
It's the cream.
All right.
You want them or no, dude?
Yeah.
Take them. You take them.
Take the laser.
Mm-mm.
I don't want to touch them.
Touch them. Oh.
What are you doing?
Here you go, Poncho. Pull those off.
But these are kind of like my go-to, like take to a
Give me
party
those.
type
Hold on.
cookies.
Hold on. Here.
And I love them because they are so easy. They are.
How come I can't get it? How come it won't come off? Oh, here.
Kind of cookies. I don't know
Here, you
what
want
it
it?
is about cake mix cookies. I just love them. They're like
What's
Oh.
wrong with
so
it?
good. They're always so moist.
I don't need this anymore.
We're
Here.
gonna make 2 different kinds for you today, you guys. We are making
Like coconut.
chocolate Rolo
It does?
cake mix cookies,
Oh,
and
you're sick.
we're making Christmas
I know.
Pringles cake mix cookies. Both delicious, you guys.
All right, let's try
I'm gonna
this.
show you guys how to make
Let's
them.
do this.
And there's not very many
Let's make some.
ingredients, as you can
I'll make a
see.
couple.
You really just need eggs, oil,
Yeah.
Rolos,
No, you're not making one. I am. For you. For you, bro.
It tastes like coconuts, right?
I don't think so.
A little bit.
All right, let's do this. This is a big cookie. I need a spatula.
I want the biggest cookie.
Oh, I don't need a spatula. You gonna have one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Alrighty.
Did you try to eat a cookie, Tony?
Oh, I
Like,
tried to eat some of the batter. Mommy got
oh yeah, mommy hates when I do that, but I do it in secret. And
Yeah, I see when you do it.
And then mom
Chatters.
catches me on her YouTube.
Yeah, I do. Oh my god.
Well, she
Want
can't
that?
get mad if she's too late, right, Angie?
You having one? Tom?
Yeah.
You want one, Avery?
Oh my!
Yeah,
They put a lot of marshmallow on
okay. Suit yourself. Don't?
it. Yeah, I don't want to get my fingers off.
Oh my god.
Like ponchos.
Here. How's the cookie taste though?
What the heck? I don't know in my hand.
This is sticky.
I'm good with plate.
I gotta make more too after. Yeah, give me a plate too, baby. Oh, I didn't even show. Yeah, I think I put too much in there. Andrew.
Where's the plates?
Maybe I need to put more fluff?
No!
No?
I usually put them pretty good.
Yeah? Mmm.
I had too much stuff in mine.
Mmm, good.
Look how much stuff I had in mine.
Baby, you want one?
Yeah, see what you made over there.
I'm not gonna make a thing for you though.
Is it a cookie, a cake? I thought you were making cake cookies.
They are.
Wow.
Here. Mmm. Here. Maybe I'll just put it on top. Huh? Right? Maybe you could just put it on top.
No, it's better in the middle.
This is huge. I'm wasting it. This is a lot.
Was it a marshmallow on my food?
Let me do it like this. do it on top.
So much stuff.
Yeah, I think it's too big.
No, so much stuff in the middle. And I'm just eating them.
That's what she did.
This much?
Yeah.
What the? I'll get better at no.
Where they go?
With his
Mom.
friends, yeah, to go by for their homecoming.
The next one, don't put a lot of that. You put the
You need a plate or something. You gotta make more.
What? No.
Yeah, but this is not like I want food.
Do you want the rest of this?
No.
No, you're sick. I just showed you what you can eat in there.
It's really good.
Yeah, you like it?
It's almost like you can't really tell it's even a cake.
I know. It's a cookie. Cake cookie.
You want mine, Jenna?
I'm gonna try one.
Yeah, it is.
And just let this like that.
Mmm. I wonder if the frosting is gonna get hard. I don't know. They came out good. So, it was a score.
Yeah, I was watching you guys earlier.
There's eggs.
It's very dry.
Get some milk with it. It's dry?
Okay.
Well, it is dry because it's cake.
Mm-hmm. It's good though.
Mom, what's too much cream on mine?
Yo, what if I got that big? I thought it
It's good though. It's different. Huh? That's how you make them. I hope that you like this video. If you do and you try it, let me know. And I gotta clean up now. So, alright guys. Until the next video, I will catch you on the flip side. Don't forget, I love you mucho mucho. And I'll see you later.